good afternoon, or good evening, or good morning. Every time you found yourself turning on this and watching this video. My name is Nick, and welcome back to the channel. Life is hard, don't complain. Today, we have a box from our buddies over at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's got a few things in it, and we'll figure out which one we're gonna review first. Let's see. I think we're gonna do this guy first. Eikonic. That's the first Eikonic that I have. They had a nice honing kit that I saw that I wanted. And finally, a big knife. All right, let's move some stuff. I'm not gonna do a review on the honing kit, but we'll look at it really fast. Some honing oil, heavier grit stone, finer stone, and more than, no. Okay. Would have to see how this would be practical, but it was very, very cheap. So, we will do this guy next. Not right now. Eikonic. We have here in the box the Eikonic RCK9 101 SSGN plain edge olive micarta knife. Again, this is my first of the Eikonic brands. This knife, let's look at it. I got scolded on one of my videos because it took too long to actually see the knife. Eikonic Life with an Edge. Very nice, tight packaging. Eikonic sticker. This knife is a Chaves or Chaves design folder. Ramon Chavez of Chaves Knives and Tool designed it. These boxes with the magnets in them just makes life a little bit easier. Let's put this stuff away and weigh the guy. It's a green micarta, very, very smooth micarta. And you guys know my opinion of super smooth knives. 3.67 ounces, 104 grams. Non-reversible pocket clip. I think this is a linerlock blade. It's got a synthetic or plastic backspacer. Yeah, it's a liner lock. Looks steel liners. Action is very nice. It's a small pocket knife, very sharp. Thumb studs, liner lock, locks very nicely. It is perfectly centered. What I say is it's on ceramic ball bearings. Very easy. Ergos, just a hair with this pocket clip of potential for a hot spot. It's a nice looking knife. Blade is right under 3 inches. Stonewashed D2 steel. This knife is sharp, by the way. Interesting that they don't have a reversible pocket clip on this guy. Some people may not like that. It's tip up carry. Overall, it is a nice presentation. I think Eikonic is manufactured in China. Eikonic it's a US based company. I believe it's veteran owned. And Chaves Knife and Tool is a company that has a nice reputation of high quality stuff, and it was designed by Ramon. So there's the little D2. Can you see that? They had that hidden on the blade. They don't have China hidden. It's just not there. Super smooth action. The liner lock, which I will. Last couple of liner lock knives I've dealt with had aggressive jimping on the actual liner, which just took away from it a little bit. My biggest bugaboo with this knife is how slick the micarta feels. It's super smooth, super duper 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 smooth, and you know that's okay, but it's not my preference. This knife is not a cheap knife per se on the world of Whatnot, but I think even on Whatnot this knife was like $50. So am I satisfied with it? I think it's a super nice knife, good action. This would be like a date night pocket knife. It's, without the pocket clip, it's right at a ½ inch thick, but the shape of it is not going to protrude, no bulges. The weight of it is not going to weigh down a pair of dress slacks or something like that. The pocket clip itself is, they would consider this deep carry, but you still got some real estate sticking up. So for a compact pocket knife, this isn't bad, but 4 inches for the handle, would we say almost 3 inches for the cutting edge. The knife is right at 7 inches long, so it's a nice small to medium sized pocket knife. Overall, I like it. The construction and the action of this outweigh the slick micarta. You know, we can probably live with that because this is not a knife. I don't find this to be like a utilitarian knife so much as like a shop knife or something like that, but I guess it could be. But for me, this is more of a dressy type knife, fancier thing. So if you are interested in veteran-owned companies, etc., check out Eikonic. I think they have some collaborations with 6 Hour and maybe somebody else. I can't recall. It might just be Sig. I think they make a few fixed blades now. So it's interesting. It's my first one of theirs. Because of how it feels in the hand and its action, I would recommend this knife. It's nice. But we're gonna end it there. It's a short review for me, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified of new videos coming out. And your interest keeps me making new ones, which I appreciate and hope you get something out of these videos. So until next time, remember, life is hard. Don't complain. Take care.